Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana from Carblog India. Today we are going to give you a test drive review of the Bajaj Pulsar 200 NS. The one we are testing here is mustard yellow, the vibrant color. This bike is quite powerful. It has an engine output of around 23.2 bhp. It delivers a torque of close to 19 newtons meters. This output is very close to what you get on KTM Duke 200. We have just ridden it across 117 kilometers per hour. The peak power is delivered close to 9000 rpm and the peak torque is delivered close to 8000 rpm. Talking of the driving dynamics, the bike feels very confident on roads. Cornering is superb. The handling is very nice. It feels slightly heavy to start with, but once it's in motion, it feels very comfortable to drive. In fact, if you look at the styling of the bike, this looks very close in styling to what you see on KTM Duke. If you look closely, the headlamp styling, this is the city lamp. These are the sharp turn indicator lamps, dual tone front mudguard, 37mm dia, telescopic suspension at front, a 200cc liquid cooled engine. This side is the radiator. These are the air scoops. The designing of the tank is very radical and dynamic. There is beautiful protruded Pulsar branding here on the tank on both sides, and 200 NS on the graphics near the rear panels. There is no side storage. There is very minute under seat storage, but that is minuscule. You can't actually store anything. Here you have the knob for turning on and off the fuel supply. It comes only with a side stand. Interestingly, there is no center stand. This is the gear lever. You have to pull it up for second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth gear. This is the chain which is covered from top, is naked from the bottom. This is the rectangular swing arm for high stability. This is the chain sprocket. The tail lamp design is also very beautiful. What you see here are the LED brake lights which come up quite bright. These are the dual grab rails which are for the pillion riders. Looks like horns of a bull, very aggressive. On the rear you have another wheel hugger. Here what you see is the 230mm diameter disc brake with a single pot floating caliper. These are the chain adjusters. This is the centrally mounted monoshock suspension which is nitrox charged. So this gives the rear a really sporty look. There are no side suspensions here because it is mounted in the middle. Here what you see is the triple spark 200cc engine. This is the first in class 3-spark engine. Here what you see is the underbelly exhaust. This exhaust is also like the KTM Duke. This is another reservoir, the Exhaustec technology which Bajaj has. Here you see is the 280mm diameter dual pot floating caliper for high braking efficiency. As far as looks go, I don't need to talk much about it. You already know it is one of the prettiest looking bikes in the segment which is below 1 lakh rupees. The NS stand for naked sports. There is very less fairing. You can see the engine very clearly. It's almost naked bike. It is also said that Bajaj is working on a fully faired version of the Pulsar 200, but that is probably due for 2013 or 14. We'll keep you posted on that as well. Let me talk a little bit about the driving dynamics of this bike. First of all, the weight distribution is very even. It is approximately 72 kgs in front and 73 kgs in back. The total curb weight is 145 kilograms. but few things which could have been better is the suspension tuning might have been slightly better, because I find the suspension to be very good at high speeds, very stable. But when it comes to bad roads, you feel the bumps actually go through the frame and reach the rider and the pillion. Although there is a benefit of tougher suspension, when you are on higher speeds, it gives you extra stability. Another downside which I felt while my ride in city traffic is that it requires frequent gear shifting. Whenever you reach a traffic which is congested, say you are in third or fourth gear, you have to downshift to second or first to get a quick maneuver out of the traffic. The power response is very good ahead of 4000 5000 rpm. So if you drive it in the power band of 4000 to 7000 rpm, this will give you exhilarating performance. But if you drive it below that, then you will find little lethargic. All in all, Pulsar 200 NS is meant for petrol heads who wants pure performance out of it. This is all we have for you on the road test of the Bajaj Pulsar 200 NS. Hope you like the review. Please press the like button.